Hello everyone, welcome to the first lesson of the course. Now, before we jump into Cinema 4D and start modeling our funny monster, I want to talk a little bit about what we are going to do and why we are going to do it that way. When you hear 3D monsters, you probably think about a very scary and creepy monster with giant teeth and 10 arms and big crazy eyes. Well, that's not what we're going to create on this course. Instead, we're going for a very cute monster that will look harmless and you will probably want to hug. So, to explain a little bit about the style, I created this document with some references. You can see here on this first reference a style that you may recognize from the Pixar or DreamWorks movies. On their movies, you will often see this kind of monsters, giant eyes, big teeth, but not in a scary way, but in a very friendly way. You can see how they make their eyes shiny and happy, and the teeth are not spiky teeth, but instead they are soft and funny looking. Also, take a look at the monster skin. It's a very soft skin, it looks like plastic, so that the monster will resemble a toy. Finally, but also very important, the colors. They use bright tones or light tones. When you mix all these ingredients, what you get is a very cute looking monster that is appropriate for a child's movie. If we take a look further to more references, you can see that they all have one thing in common. The monsters have really friendly faces, their eyes are shiny, they are smiling. That will say a lot about the monster's personality. Now, for this course, we're going to take example on these two last references. Now, you will realize that in this case, the eyes are really tiny. Apparently, little eyes are cute. Take a look at this guy here. He has really sharp teeth, but with those eyes, he looks totally harmless. In this case, they use pastel tones and they use very few colors, which gives an overall look of happiness and fun. Speaking of colors, I already shows the color palette that we're going to use. You can see that we have just three main colors, a pale pink, a pale blue, and a pale yellow. When you combine these three colors, you get a really nice and heartwarming feeling, which is exactly what we are after on this course because we want to create a cute monster on 3D on Cinema 4D. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you before we start. Now it's time for the really fun part of the course, which is of course the 3D modeling of the monster. So see you on the next lesson.